Welcome to the What's New webinar for Foxtrot 1 version 5.3. Today we're going to review the actions and enhancements that we have put in place for the new release, starting out with the improved Microsoft Excel support. So we now have the ability to import 2007 Microsoft Excel worksheets. So just to show you where that's at, you can come over here to Open Data, and the file types underneath the XLS. Along the lines of import, we also have improved Microsoft Access support. Foxtrot 1 will now properly import data from Microsoft Access tables with a name having spaces and from tables with names longer than 8 characters. So obviously that's going to provide you a better range of importing options. For our IT specialists out there, we have a new MSI installation that's going to allow you to deploy Foxtrot through your enterprise through more of a push or silent install option. Allows you also to repackage our installation to tailor it to your needs. Also for that group, we'll have improved 64-bit operating system support. So Foxtrot Suite will now be able to install and run on those types of operating systems. And for our end users, we have a new window action. This action is going to allow you to do a various number of things, such as resize the window. It's going to allow you to show the window when you're interacting with it. So for an example, I have a couple of actions here that's going to be working with Internet Explorer. So when this action executes, it's going to move Internet Explorer from being full size to the left 60% of the screen. So I'll double click to execute, and you can see it just resizes the window. The same thing with the show window option. Both these actions, you do target the title bar of the application you want to work with to get these options. So you have show window, which is going to just bring that application to the front. So to give an example, I'll go ahead and target the title bar here. And you can see a list of actions under the category of window. So you can see there's quite a few more actions here, but we went through the resize and show window. You also have a restore window. You can move it, minimize, maximize, and close. The next action we have is the display message. Prior versions on the display message action, you can only have one line of description. So we would improve that to provide multiple lines of description, just to give your end user a better understanding of what just occurred. So you can use multiple lines as well as a title bar option. The go to task action has been renamed to run task. If you have a go to task action in your previous scripts, it will be converted to run task. So it is still backwards compatible. You won't have to rebuild the action. We've improved our click action. Now we can work with a broader range of applications. Improved rename file action. Now it gives you a better description of how you can rename a file on your system. And Foxtrot 1 file association. So now any of your FSP files, which are scripts, are going to be associated with Foxtrot 1. This allows you to double click on a script and it'll open up Foxtrot as well as load that script. We've improved a few things down here in the view center, such as our data view sorting features. So you can click on the headers here and it'll sort alphabetically. Field name, you can see the arrow here gives you a idea of which way it's sorting. So right now you can see it starts with the A's, and now I'll switch it up. It starts with Z's, and you can do that for each column. Also, what we've improved, so if you have a field name highlighted and you want to keep an eye on that field and you want to go to the next record, it'll keep that field name highlighted each time. And you can do the same sort of option for the variables. So we don't have any variables loaded, but if you did, you'd be able to sort it out using our new improved capabilities. We've also added an item in our preferences to be able to have a default select item action. We've added some enhancements to our improved lookup list. So at this point, Foxtrot 1's lookup lists have been modified so the user has the ability to edit the columns. Additionally, we have a fix that's been put into place that eliminates the bug that caused lookup list values to become quote wrapped when editing the value. We also have improved project file reliability. So now when you have a large script, we've enhanced our technology to be able to import those scripts successfully. We also have the ability to have the breakpoints are now ignored when running a script in silent mode or through Foxtrot X. Another enhancement is our startup task icon. We fixed a bug that in some situations causes the startup task icon to display next to the incorrect task. So those are a list of all of our new enhancements. You can always find that list online at our help option, or you can come into the welcome screen and select on new features. We want to thank you for attending the webinar today. And if you do have any additional questions, please give us a call at the number here on the screen, 1-800-658-1147, or you can always email us at support@enablesoft.com. Thank you again and have a good day.